up, you guys? How are you? How are you doing? How is it going? I'm filming a new video. Obviously, I'm filming in a daylight now, and I'm not sure how's that gonna go. I'm sitting on my bed, as you can see. And right, so we're real here. We're not fake. If you like it, you subscribe it. That was that. Right, so from the title, you've seen I'm gonna do a sexy smoky eye tutorial. That is my favorite. It's a black and white. I'm using my painted lip pots. I'm not waiting for anyone, so don't mind me. I'm just using my painted lip pot to prime my eyes, and we're going to do it. I'm gonna do the one eye first, and then we're gonna do the rest. I'm gonna use today a Zoeva Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. It's really pretty. I quite like it. It has like this eyeshadow theme that I like, that I wanted to go with. And so I'm gonna take the shade, which one I'm taking? Beans are white, so this one. And I'm gonna go this brush, because this one is like very dainty. This Echo Tools, I think, so old that it's insane. And this lightning, I'm not sure if I can. We're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go. So I'm gonna go and take that a little bit, and I'm start off in my corner of the eye and just start blending. Can you like eye that? So it's like just a little bit, because we want this like really smoky eye today. Right, so I'm grabbing a little bit more. I'm just going. I start with the eyes because it's a lot of black eyeshadow, and I don't want to mess it all my makeup in the beginning of the tutorial, you know, because I want to like go out in town with it, like gonna go outside of my comfort zone, that's for sure. Yes, so I'm just gonna go, and it's like just blend it out a little bit. This is really nice brush because it actually like packs a punch. It's like small and quite dainty, and it just perfect for blending, and I don't know, it's just perfect for this like going into the corner of the eye. Like, I really love it. So when you build as like whatever you like, to your liking, as I've done here, yeah, can you see him? Like, I do love this eyeshadow look, because I'm going out in a bit. I'm taking a very fluffy brush, like really fluffy brush, and just gonna go clean one. I'm gonna go into those lines to blend it all out, but like really softly, like really softly. I love this eyeshadow look, I really do. If you need more, go with more. Just blend, like literally. You can even grab a little bit on that fluffy brush and just go with it. Okay, so for now, I am happy with it. Right, what I'm gonna do now, after I like if I like it or not or whatever, I go with a bitter start. This is that shadow, and just grab on my brush, as you can see, and just pack it on the lid. Start packing on the lid. like start packing that it goes completely white like that. Do you see it? Like, I'm not carving here. You don't need to have a skills of a cut crease or anything. This is beautiful like that. Yeah. Okay. If you, I'll take my finger and I just pack on places that I want a little bit more pigment and blendability. Like, do you see it? I love it. Okay, so because I applied so much white, that black got a little bit faded. So I'm gonna go back with the brush that I applied the black one, and I'm gonna go into the corner of the eye and just literally go for it. A little bit more, a little bit more. Just in the corner, literally. And just back up a bit in there. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. You can add glitters, you can add metallics, you can add whatever you want. It's up to you. Nothing to do with me. I like how it turns out to be lovely and matte. It's beautiful. It's actually really, really beautiful. That is my go-to eyeshadow look. If I go like somewhere and have a date or something with my boyfriend, so I just go for it. Right. Okay. Let me do my other eye and I'll be back in a second. Right, so my other eye is done. As you can see it, I really like it. Right, so it's time for brows. As for brows, I'm using this NYX Statement Frame brow pomade, and I'm taking the angled brush, and I'm not a big brow person, so I'm just quickly gonna go through it, literally quickly. Right, so my eyebrows are done. Okay, let's go to the face now. Yes. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, so yeah, so I'm using my usual that I really like. Kind of fell in love with it. Kind of. Just quickly and carefully go under the eye. Just literally carefully. But you can actually, with your foundation, you can actually carve it out. So that's what we're doing. We're carving it out because, you know, I've gone a bit crazy. And yes, so we're carving it out a little bit. Okay, so for a concealer, I'm gonna go with Jouer concealer. I don't know, what is this? Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. Um, it's quite, but I'm not gonna go with a lot. It's quite light for me, but that's why I'm gonna go just a little touches, a little bit, like a little bit, because it's a potent it's a really strong concealer, and it's really high coverage. Love it. I really did not like it in the beginning, but honestly it's awesome. And I just go like here, See, it brightens up a lot, and I love that. Actually love it. Okay, like for the powder, we are going with Collection Prime and Ready HD Blur Setting Powder. This powder really, girl, like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like mist of it. So we're not gonna use too much. I'm just literally dab a little bit, absolutely little bit, and just go under my eye. Because this powder is really strong. I'm not going, like, just a little bit. Set up that concealer. A little bit. A little bit goes a long way here. Okay, so for a bronzer, we're going back to bronze. I don't like it. No, it's not like I don't like it. I don't know. Then I don't feel like it does anything to my face, to be honest. Does it do anything? I can't. We're gonna go with a little bit of blush. I'm not a big fan of blushes, but oh well. Let's just do a little bit. I love when the sun is shining. Some God today. It's lovely. It makes me feel a bit happier in life. Not like I'm not happy, but I just love it. It gives you like this energy boost, what you need. Love it. For a highlight, of course, I'm going with a Wet n Wild highlighting powder, Mega Glow. That is a good glow. I love this highlighter. Like, oof, oof. So the face is done. What we can do now, and we can set. So I am using a Urban Decay All Nighter. Of course I am. I'm going to smoke out on the eye area for a little bit. And I'm gonna take the dainty brush, and I'm gonna go with that same beans of white in a black color. Beans of white, amazing. And I'm just gonna smoke out a little bit. Take a little flat brush, and I'm gonna go with that white powder, white shadow, and just go and brighten up that inner corner. And smoke it out with the black. I'm using my favorite one is Lash Paradise, blah blah blah, L'Oreal, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna go too mental. Wow, do you see the difference between this eye and this eye? I know. You don't even need the lashes for it. Trust me, you don't. The last thing but not least, my favorite part of makeup. It's lipstick. And my favorite lipstick is BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in shade. What is the shade? See, I can't see things. What is the shade? Oh, come on. Vanya. I said it last time. I'm not gonna line my lips today because I just can't be asked. And you don't really need it with this. The applicator is amazing. Right, we're done. Okay, so we are done. This is the look I went for, and I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. So if you like it, please subscribe. If you don't, then don't subscribe. Comment below if you like it. Just give a thumbs up. I don't know. If you watch it, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.